Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Grom Gamer, and tonight I'm gonna be cleaning the chain on my 2025 Honda Grom SP. Some of the supplies that you guys will be needing to clean your chain are some chain cleaner. I've got the Motul chain cleaner, but really any chain cleaner will do. You'll also need some sort of chain lube. That way after we clean it up, we can lube it, protect it. Same thing, I got the Motul kit, so it came with both. Some sort of chain brush. Doesn't have to be specifically this one, but you do want something that's got 3 sides to it like this. That way it can clean all of the sides of your chain as you're going through. Rag, just something that you can clean up as you're going. Some cardboard. This is just to catch anything that drips off as we're cleaning it. So all that lube, all that chain cleaner, as it's dripping down, it'll just catch into this cardboard box. I'm also gonna have this extra piece of cardboard that's gonna go behind the chain as I'm cleaning it, as I'm spraying it, just to prevent any after spray from getting on the rest of the bike or getting all over my garage. Lastly, and pretty importantly, is you're gonna need some sort of center sand to raise up that back tire. As we're going through and cleaning our chain, to ensure that we get every link, we're going to be slowly spinning our tire. I brought you guys in a little bit closer so you could see, but I've got this cardboard propped up behind the chain, and now I'm gonna start rotating it as I spray it with a little bit of the cleaner. So from there, I'm gonna go ahead and scrub, and I'll probably do this once or twice. I'll also probably hit it with a little bit more cleaner, just to rinse all the gunk off. Now that I've loosened it, I'm using that gold chain link as kind of my starting point, so I know when I got back to the beginning. So there you go, I'm back towards the beginning. I'm gonna go ahead and scrub the top side as well. Once everything's nice and scrubbed off, I'm gonna rinse it off. I've got my cardboard propped back up, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it again. Rinse it off, basically you saw that gunk and grime coming off. Give you guys a quick look of all of the gunk that came off. All right, last thing we're gonna do before we lube it up is we're gonna just wipe off all the excess, get it nice and dry. See how yucky some of that stuff is. Last but not least, we're gonna hit it with some chain lube. You don't wanna get crazy with this stuff, because if you cake too much on, it's really gonna attract dirt and it's gonna get dirtier. Just enough to protect it from moisture, protect it from rusting, and also keep it lubricated. Give it a couple of rotates just to let everything spread evenly. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Chain is nice and clean, lubed up. Super easy, super simple. Took me about 5 minutes. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop me a comment, and thanks for watching. Drop me a subscribe if you want more content like this. Thank you. See ya.